What stops people from investing in real estate? Is it because they can't afford one? I don't think so. You can start with little money on a monthly basis. Is it because real estate seems risky? Definitely not. It's not as volatile as stocks. The number one reason that may stop you is fear. So let's face your fears, and now it's time to take control. I'm Edric Maguan, and this is The Real Deal. Fear has a way of convincing you, with all the excuses in the world, not to start sooner. Believe me, I've had my fears when I was just starting out. But I decided to take control, and I can tell you, it's all worth it. Once you've done your research and your math, at the end of the day, lakasan ng loob yan. In other words, you've got to have courage. Courage doesn't mean the absence of fear. It means that in spite of fears, you're able to make an informed decision and take action. And the best action is to hit that subscribe button to learn more about real estate investing. Now let's talk about the 3 biggest fears that every first-time investor faces and how you can take control. Fear number 1. Ang mahal ng property, super intimidating. Big jump talaga siya from the most expensive stuff we've ever purchased. Like what? Laptop? Or kotse? Pag nag-focus ka sa total price ng property, manghihina ka. But with courage, you decide to tackle the big rock by breaking it down into smaller parts. So forget about the millions. The most important thing is you can and you will be able to cover the monthly payments over the long term. If you have a stable income, and if you see yourself progressing in your career, then believe in your capability. Trust me, it gets easier over the years as your income will grow over time. Fear number 2. Takot ako na magkautang. We have this mindset na masama ang utang, na kapag indebted ka, you're on the losing side. But with courage, you choose to look at debt in a positive light and use it responsibly. In reality, you can make money out of debt, or what we call the power of leverage. You use home loans to acquire properties that will grow in value significantly higher than the cost of borrowing the money or interest. The crucial thing here is you know which properties will have high growth potential. To learn more about the locations and developments with high growth potential, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. Fear number 3. Very risky, baka malugi lang ako. When you consider the price and the long-term commitment it requires, mafe-feel mo na parang you have so much to lose. But with courage, you make an effort to truly understand the market dynamics. In reality, real estate, by nature, is one of the safest and lowest risk investment options. It is a lot less volatile than stocks. There's real and growing demand for real estate because people will always need places to live, work, and enjoy life. In fact, according to BSP data, the Residential Real Estate Price Index has been growing every year, even in 2020, amid the pandemic. And it would help a lot if you maintain an emergency fund, so that even in times of crisis, you will not be pressured to sell your properties without realizing its full potential. To learn more on how to avoid selling your properties at a loss, check out my other video. So once you've done your due diligence, have courage, just do it. If you need help in getting the property with high growth potential, send me a message on my Facebook or Instagram, or sign up for a free consultation with me via the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.